Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we will explore how to create advanced portrait masking for high-end edits. Begin by selecting the subject using Select Subject, then refine the selection using Mask Overlay. Pay extra attention to hair, eyelashes, and facial contours. Use smaller brushes and lower opacity for precision. Once the mask is clean, separate the subject onto its own layer. Apply retouching, color grading, or lighting adjustments using clipped adjustment layers. Keep skin transitions natural by avoiding hard mask edges. Advanced portrait masking allows you to enhance portraits without damaging realism. This technique is widely used in fashion, editorial, and studio photography.